question is, do you want a custom home like this one, or do you want the track house that's over there? Let's check out the custom. 411 Atco Avenue. This is a outstanding representation of what is different about a custom home versus what they're building down the street. Similar prices, but this one is all custom, all tricked out, and you have 1.2 acres here of ground, which makes it really, really different. You have this dining room area, great windows, recessed lighting, and Joe Middleman, who was the builder, he put these fantastic baseboards in the entire property. Really nice millwork all around. You have LG appliance package, and check this out. You know, who doesn't love new? Absolutely beautiful, gleaming. These glorious countertops, granite, and then you have this piece. I'm thinking that this is a piece of quartz here, but you have the dual color, really makes it pop. You got the black cabinets here, and then you have the white cabinets. And by the way, these are all dovetail joints and soft touch. Recessed lighting all around, just an outstanding package. This countertop, you have the breakfast bar area. You could easily seat 4, probably 5. And then you have this pantry, open air shelving, perfect. We walk into the great room, more of these outstanding windows with the grates, really modern look, recessed lighting all around. And check out the built-in bookshelves. That's really nice. You know, that's something that you don't see in new construction tract homes, but you have it here, the big moldings, and this glorious gas fireplace, stunning. You have the mudroom here, lovely flooring all throughout. You have a coat closet as you walk in, and then the garage is all finished off, painted, recessed lights, LED, just what you want. Down to the front corridor, you have a coat closet, hardware, black against the white motif, outstanding. You have a half bath, perfect for the conveniences of the lower level. Now let's check out the upstairs. All right, we got 4 beds and we have 2 full baths upstairs. This is the master bedroom, nice view. And by the way, I didn't mention the asphalt driveway, all taken care of for you. Most builders won't give you that. This opens to the master bathroom, simply exquisite. You have the vanity, furniture grade, modern pool handles. You have the kidney bean soaking tub with the really fancy faucet. And check out the tiles in the shower. These are 4 foot by 2 foot. This is something that you see only in very high-end construction, and you have it right here. Got a closet, big, bedroom number 4 that faces Atco Ave. Got bedroom number 3. Got the lovely Berber type carpet. It's got nice texture to it, like a corduroy, outstanding. You got your washer and dryer upstairs. And you have bedroom number 2, which faces the backyard. Got a nice view, approximately 1.2 acres back there. Really, really nice. You're not gonna get that across the way in the development. You're gonna get tiny postage-sized lots. You got this huge lot. And more of the same here. This tile work is some of the best that I've seen. The black accessories just make it pop. Let's check out the basement. You have the Versa lamp. So this is very, very strong construction, some of the best in the industry. And this piping that you see, that's your public sewer that goes out to the roadway. So you have public sewer here. And you have a 200 amp electrical service. Just take note of how straight all these wires are and how straight all the piping, the PEX is. Outstanding. These loops just tells you the quality craftsmanship that went into this house. You have your York central air. This is high efficiency, and you have a nice storage area back there, and you got your water equipment. So this is all finishable in time if you want to do it. And for the meantime, you got plenty of storage here. If this is the house for you, if you love this home and you want custom versus what you can get in a typical tract home development, it's completely different. There's a whole different ball game, whole different category. If you like it, make sure you click the link in the description below, and that'll take you to the website. And then you could make an appointment and we could view the property. And if that's a little bit too much too early, you can check out all the pictures and see all the stats on it and get all that very valuable information. For whatever reason, if this is not the right one for you, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, and then you can see all of the new properties that we have coming out. You could be one of the first to see it, and it gives you an advantage in the marketplace where you could offer before anybody else does. Have a great property here, just short of 2,200 square feet, 4 beds, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, asphalt driveway. Got this unbelievable kitchen here, 2-tone countertop, got the subway tile, great master bath and bedroom setup, LG appliance package, just gleaming everything. Special doors upgraded, the recessed lighting, outstanding fireplace feature with the built-ins. You're not gonna get this kind of construction from one of the big box names. So I encourage you to further explore this property, and if it's the right one for you, make sure you give us a call as soon as you can. This one's hitting the market now, full throttle, completely done, ready for your move-in. You could be in this house by the end of January. Thank you so much for watching.